number two on the Big Island. Number two on the Big Island. You got 188 pile drive.
Yeah, I hear all kinds of stuff, man. I hear you, I hear him, I hear everything. East, west, Hawaii.
Two on the Big Island. Roger on that 808. You still doing your thing around Tampa Bay. 813 back out.
All right, 813. Yeah, it was just coming in there with you too. 813, number two from the Big Island's got a mean mobile. I'll see 813 sand piles, 808 in the Rockies.
Oh, 808.
All right, number two. Yeah, man, have a good weekend. You smoking up here. I'm just listening to everyone trying to call, man. You smoking. Number two, Big Island, 808, Colorado waving.
How about that number two on the Big Island? You got 188 pile driver, Southwest Florida, waving a hand.
All right, number two. Yeah, everyone's keying up. Number two, 808. Number two, Big Island, 808 in the Rockies.
Number two, the Big Island, you got 188 pile driver, waving a hand. Number two, Mobile, cruising the mini grass. Bye. Come on, number two. Come on, bring it back to pile driver, Southwest Florida. Trying to do as always. I hope you get that thing like you want me, brother. Lumberjack in the hog yard. Hey, Lumberjack, you bird smoking the mini grass. That be for dump plug in real. Take care, Lumberjack in the hog yard. Number two, Mobile, cruising the Big Island. Go Bean, take care, man. I'm going. I guess I ain't making it out there. Southwest Florida. Saying goodbye, good night, have a good one.
Hey, 188, you're making it out to Colorado Springs. A pile driver, 188, 808 in the Rockies.
Welcome to the weekend.
All right, 502. Yeah, I was trying to get it to a pile driver. He was having, I wanted to get someone to get him a Roger. 502, 808 waving.
All right, 80, take care. Sign good, man. Take care, 80. Have a good weekend. 502 San Paulo, gonna be on the side.
Good numbers, 502. I'm waving.
See if I can get in here for a little bit there. See if I can get in here for a little bit there. 623 down here in St. Pete, Florida. We're getting nosy. Come on. Well, 73's on you. You have a great night. Stay safe and keep God's grace on your place. Man, now you tell me. Yeah, this shit don't come with instructions.